Libra, hi, welcome to Girl Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Libra, guys, these are just the insights for you so that you can stay focused on those things which can be which you really want to achieve, and just stay away from those things which can be a blockage in the way of your happiness and success. So stay focused on the good things which are helping you. Okay, so yeah, let's see what is coming for the Libra. What is coming for the Libra? Okay, so let's get the deck for you guys. What is coming for the Libra? Moon. Okay, so moon energy. Justice, beautiful. Here you are. Hierophant, so three major arcanas. King of Cups, Six of Swords, Three of Cups, Empress, beautiful. Beautiful. Knight of Wands, okay. Wheel of Fortune, beautiful, Libra. It's beautiful, amazing. Eight of Cups, yeah. Okay, so wow, bottom of the deck we have Four of Wands. So I'm feeling that the wish you have made is going to be fulfilled very soon. It's like it's coming true. Your wish is coming true. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, with the Moon card, you don't know that you are attracting so many abundance, so many luck, like so much luck is coming to you. See, abundance, and you don't know about this. Abundance in love, abundance in every kind. I'm feeling that in money, in health, in stability, in beauty. Yeah, wow, it's beautiful. Okay, maybe some of you are dealing with a Sagittarius, Taurus, Libra, another Libra. Wow. And Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. This is unknown for you, and we are going to know this very soon. Okay, Justice with the Hierophant and with the King of Cups are telling me that there is someone, maybe a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, who really wants to commit to you, because you are standing still in your power, in your beauty, in your authenticity. Yeah, authenticity, beautiful, in your authentic self. And this person really wants to commit to you because they know that something is important here, something important is here, something spiritual is here with the Seraphim present here. So they really are offering you, like, you are standing still, like, show me your thing. Okay, and this person is offering you their heart to you in the wow, beautiful way, and this person wants commitment with you. This is the vibe I'm getting. Okay, this is the vibe I'm getting with the Six of Swords, Three of Cups, and the Empress energy. You are moving forward, you are on your path, you are going with the flow, you are not forcing anything, you are not resisting anything, you're just going with the flow. You are not controlling anything, you are not pushing, you are not pulling, nothing you are doing. You're just going with the flow because you are balanced, because you are happy within yourself, within your own self. You are feeling complete, happy, and this is you. You are attracting abundance into yourself because when I am complete within myself, all the things are coming to me, and you're doing the great job. You're doing the great job. With the Three of Cups energy, I'm feeling that you are enjoying with your friends, family, and everything like that, but you are still single. This is the vibe I'm getting. And for some of you, if you are not single, then that's great. Like, your partner is loving you, is taking care about you. Okay, so Knight of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, and the Eight of Cups. I'm feeling that there is a passionate person, maybe a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, on your way, in the, like, you're moving on your path, you don't care about anyone, like, you're doing great, you are not Like you are happy and you want to share your happiness with others. You are good and you want to share that goodness with others. You are beautiful and you want to share that inner beauty of yourself with others. Okay, like you are in the sharing mode, in the service mode. So I'm feeling that you are on the right path of yourself, okay, which universe has selected you, and this person is coming at your path, at your life, at your way. So let's see. Maybe because of your beauty they are attracted towards you, because you're very beautiful, and I can see that. Wow, Moon, Knight of Swords, another Knight is here, Four of Wands. Wow, this really wants to come out. Patience, and the Judgment, bottom of the deck. This is big. Okay, so this is you don't know, like this person is coming at you very fast, and you will feel that fast in, you know, that love at first sight connection, because this person is destined. Yeah, this person is destined. You will feel that love at first sight, like in the first meeting you will feel like, wow, it's deep, because Moon is also deep feelings, deep emotions. You just the emotions you really don't want to deal with right now, because you think that, yeah, the you know, emotions are of every kind, okay, so you just don't want to deal with those emotions which you think that giving you the lower vibe, they can, like, you just don't want to be in the lower vibration energy. That's why you are not dealing with your emotions, and but you have to be. These are the deep feelings, okay. So yeah, I'm feeling that this person may be another air sign, Sagittarius again, coming towards you, and you will feel that attraction with this person. Let's see, what is this Hierophant here? What is this Hierophant here for the Libra? Magician, Eight of Swords, Three of Swords. Wow. Ten of Cups. Okay, so a Libra, for some kind of reasons, I'm feeling that energy of pushing a little bit. You're like, you just don't want to deal with that, because you think that partnerships, commitments, maybe you have dealt with some kind of heartbreak in the recent past, okay, with the Eight of Swords and Three of Swords energy. So a little bit part of yourself is feeling bound, is feeling stuck when there is some kind of, you know, when you listen about marriages or commitments. This is the vibe I'm getting. Like you want to be in the right connection, okay, but because that's why you're feeling a little bit low. That's why you're feeling a little bit you just don't want to deal with your emotions, because you think that emotions can stuck you, emotions can make you bound and stuck and sad. So that's why you just don't want to deal with this. But whoever is this person, this magician, this Hierophant, they really want to heal you. Like they really want to help you to heal from these kind of trauma situations, because this is also a very, you know, sad. Like you are doing great things, you are manifesting beautiful things in your life, but still there is a little part of yours which is feeling like this, sad and stuck, okay. So I'm feeling that whoever is this person, they are coming at your path so that you can heal from this energy too, okay. Yeah, because all over you are doing great, you are doing beautiful, and this a little bit part of yours is feeling a little bit stuck because of your emotions, because you just don't want to deal with your emotions, okay. So let's see, what is this Empress here? Beauty, love, abundance, health, money, Eight of Wands, Four of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. Wow. So because you are in your power, in your authenticity, someone wants to communicate with you. Whoever was holding back, now they want to communicate. That's it. Whoever was holding back before, now they want to communicate, because you are not communicating with them. You are working on yourself. You are in your own genuine self, and like you are feeling great. I'm feeling that great energy from yourself, like from your side, Libra. Very beautiful, very calm, very high vibe, like yeah, like that. Okay, so whoever was holding back, they want to communicate, and maybe you will hear some news from them. What is this? Nine of Wands, Nine of Swords, Eight of Wands, sorry, Ten of Wands, and the World card. Yeah, I'm feeling that this person will help you, because you are in the receiving mode. You are actually receiving all the good energy from all sides. Okay, and then you're very open to everything. This is the vibe I'm getting. So this person, whoever is this Knight of Wands, they will help you to overcome these negative thoughts, okay, whatever is bugging you, and they will help you to release this burden from your life and to start a very beautiful new chapter of your life. So yeah, like you are feeling actually very great, but at the same time a little part of yours is feeling a little bit bound to negative emotions maybe, so you just want to heal those as well. So this person will help you and tell you that life is beautiful. Okay, so let's see, what is this Wheel of Fortune here? So already 3 cards, and what is this? 8 of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Chariot, 3 of Wands. Wow. Yeah, this is you. Maybe some of you are dealing with another fire sign or a Cancerian. Libra, I'm feeling that universe is giving you another chance to work things out for yourself, because whenever you're working things out for yourself, things are working out for you in your outer atmosphere, in your surroundings. Okay, so yeah, things are working out. Beautiful. So this is you. The things which are not coming towards you before, now they are coming to you. This is the vibe I'm getting. Okay, the things which were very stagnated for you for a little bit time in the past, now they are coming for you. See, the Chariot is coming at you swiftly. Things are coming for you. Beautiful, beautiful. You are on your right path. You are doing great. You are doing a good job. You are doing the right things for yourself, and you want others to do the right things for themselves. You're helping yourself, you're helping the others. You're loving yourself, you're loving the others. You're sharing the abundance with others. Like you're having abundance and you're sharing that abundance with others. Like you are in service mode, you are in sharing mode, which is beautiful energy, and you're also very focused on your abundance, on your health, on yourself. You want to feel balanced, you want to feel happy. So by doing this, Libra, you are attracting a very beautiful person in your life. They help you to also heal from this kind of energy. Okay, so yeah, it's beautiful. To having new beginnings, they will help you. Okay, so maybe you are going to listen from the other person who was holding back before. So this is I have for you, Libra. I hope it helped. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.